Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can unlock your Honda radio. To unlock your radio you need this app. This is app Honda Radio Calculator. All you need to know, you must enter your serial number of your radio or WIN to generate your unlock code. Now I enter my serial number of my vehicle. Guys, this calculator working with all models Honda or radio. After press, click generate. So now the app is working and we wait for finish this process. After finish this process, this app will be show us our code to unlock your radio. Now we wait. And as you can see, the app is show our code to unlock my Honda radio. This is very easy, but how to download and get this app? You must enter this website, select your device and press your nick. Now press download and the app will be installed. This is it. This working for all vehicle Honda and support all radio in Honda. Thank you for watching. Bye.